This next slide will just take a few seconds to discuss because this is a little bit more scientific, but as simple as we can say, if your cells are very, very, very healthy, they will pull minerals inside the cell as they need. But most of us don't have the best possible health. Because of the concentration of the minerals in Kington Minerale, it actually pushes the necessary minerals and elements into the cell. So our body doesn't have to work to extract those minerals. This is part of the uniqueness and part of what makes it so effective and so special. As we come near to the end of our time, let me explain very briefly the fact that once the Kington Minerale is harvested from the sea and comes back to our factory, it goes through a very, very special process. But it's important to understand that we use no heat, no ultraviolet light, no gamma irradiation. We don't use any of these common processes because it would destroy the unique characteristics of the Kington Minerale. We use a special cold purification process to make sure that this product is absolutely perfect. If you can make a note, okay? I was at our factory, which is in Europe, and we opened a vial or an ampule of Kington Minerale that was 80 years old. 80 years old. We opened it up. There was several, and we drank it, tasted it, we analyzed it. It's still perfect after 80 years. So you really have to appreciate how special this product is, how unique this product is. It is not like anything else in the world. Other companies say that they have similar products. Nothing is like Kington Minerale. We have got all kinds of certification. We have all kinds of awards that have been given to the Kington Minerale. You can look at the design of the special, what we call the flak pull. It is unique, it's special, it's glass, so you got to be careful with it, but it's very easy to use, and it maintains the same motion as happens in the sea. So this is also a very, very special part of what makes Kington Minerale so unique. As I mentioned, in our next slide, you can see some examples of the certification, documentation. All of that is on file. We can make that available. No point to spend a lot of time talking about it today. Just remember, this product has been used for more than 100 years. It has gone through extensive testing, studies, trials, clinical trials. It is one of the most well-researched products on earth. So who needs Kington Minerale? Who should take Kington Minerale? The simple answer is everybody. But let's just take one at a time. Let's talk about children. Kids are growing. Kids are picky eaters. Kids don't like their vegetables. Some kids don't even like fruit. So children, because their brain is growing, their bones are growing, their body is growing, they need Kington Minerale. Working adults, the stress, the pressure, sometimes the lack of sleep, irregular eating hours, so many factors go into the need for Kington Minerale. You must have the right amount, the right kind, the right balance. That's why Kington Minerale is so important. Let's talk about women. Every one of us has a mother. Women go every month through a cycle that puts a tremendous stress on the body's minerals. Women need even more minerals than men. So it's important to understand that you cannot ignore the minerals that you need. Let's talk about elderly people. All of us get older. And as we get older, our cells don't function quite as well as they used to. Our mind sometimes gets a little bit fuzzy. Part of that is because the mineral balance is not correct. By using Kington Minerale, women and elderly people will see a tremendous change. They will see an improvement in their overall health, in their well-being, because the minerals are there and they're in the right balance. What about people who are very athletic? What about people who love sports? People who, if you skip to that next slide, yeah. People who love to exercise. Doesn't matter what kind. Tai Chi, yoga. I love tennis. And sometimes my tennis match will take 3 hours. I take 3 vials of Kington Minerale. 1 before I play, 1 in the middle of my match, and 1 at the end of the match. Because I know that my body needs the minerals. And it's the same with anybody who is very active. One other group of people that we want to mention. People who have illness. People who have what we call chronic issues. These people really need more than ever the right balance and the right amount of minerals so that they can overcome these conditions and that they can feel better. Because nothing is more important than good health. You can have lots and lots of money, but if you're sick all of the time, the money really has no meaning. Good health is a gift, and Kington Minerale is one of the key ingredients to our body's good health. So we have reached the end of our time. Before I get down from the stage, I would like to make sure that all of you, once again, understand how much of this should you take, when should you take it. Personally, I will take 1, we call it a flak pull. I will take 1 in the morning when I wake up, about 30 minutes before I eat. Because that way my body can absorb the minerals and the nutrients very, very quickly, very, very easily. If you prefer to eat and take the Kington Minerale later, if you can wait an hour or 2 after you eat, that's the best time. So most people, especially in the beginning, will want to take 2 flak pulls. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Some people will take 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. It really depends on your body, your activity, the state of your health. But remember this. Kington Minerale has the nutrition, the essential elements, the balance of minerals, the unique form, bioavailable, crystalloid form, so that your body can absorb, utilize, and begin to get healthier and healthier and stronger. So here's something that I would like to end with. I would like for each and every one of you to understand that if you will start using Kington Minerale, if you change nothing else, just use Kington Minerale. You will see a difference. You will feel better over time. You will have more energy, more clarity of thought. Because if you use Kington Minerale, you will definitely have and enjoy a healthier life. So in conclusion, let me just say thank you, 谢谢你, to all of you for spending your time. I know some of you have come a very long way, all the way from Kaohsiung. Thank you so much for letting me spend time with you. I hope to be back soon. I want to thank Anthony for the fantastic translation. And remember, this is a tremendous opportunity for you to improve your health. And it's an opportunity for you to help other people improve their health. And if you're new to Elken, you will learn that if you want, Elken can be a pathway to not just better health, but a better life. So, thank you for coming. I hope to see you again soon. 谢谢。